Hello everyone, this is a Mongoose mountain biking helmet. I'm going to be using it for paragliding, but you could use it for mountain biking. It has an earpiece on it, mouthpiece, all that. I'm going to show you guys how to make this. And these straps will actually keep it secure, and it will not damage the structural integrity of this helmet at all. I know there are videos where they drill into the sides of them, but this one, everything is actually done internally. Okay. So what we're going to start out with, these are like 10 bucks at Walmart. Just hearing protection, you get them in sporting goods. And I also got the helmet. Now I attached on my Sena earpiece and I glued it on here. It has self-adhesive on there, but I will show you what you do. And with these, you push that tab, remove that black tab, and then this will come out, is that. So once you remove these, you want to remove them both. And then you're going to pull this. When you pull that out, now what you want to do is you want to feed it through here. You're not damaging anything. Wait till it comes out, right there. And then you're going to push this all the way over. Now you want this strap above it because you're going to add this on here. Now what you'll notice, I've already added on the Velcro for my earpiece, my mouthpiece. So my mouthpiece is going to go right here. I'm also going to pull this off, and I've drilled a hole right here. I can feed in my cables, and my earpiece is going to go in here, and then I'll put this back together and clip it, and then I'll have the earpiece hanging off here. I'm also going to put the attachment right there, and I will show you that. Okay, so now I have both the earpieces pushed on there, and what's nice about, you can push this back as far as you can. When this straps under your skin, under your chin, it's going to pull the earpieces together. So it's going to help seal it against your head. And you can, these are totally adjustable, and these will slide up and down to fit. And I have mine slid all the way in there. And I'll show you how that fits at the end. This is going to slide right on here. And there's my cables for my microphone. It's going to clip on there. This cable is actually going to come over here because this is going to be for my hearing. I'll show you how we're going to do that. My microphone cable is actually, I'm going to pull this back and carefully feed that through. Attach that there. Always use rubbing alcohol when you're going to clean this off to put the Velcro on. Again, this is going to hold that in place, so it's not going to come off. That way you don't have to put any rivets through there, which would reinforce it, but you don't want anything to puncture through. And then you can feed this through the pre-drilled holes you made. So that one is going to be sitting in there like that. Now, I'm also, you can see inside there, so this goes in the back. It's a double-sided tape. Feeds in the back of the helmet. Then I'm going to add some two-sided tape, double-sided tape right here. So that is not going to be, that's going to actually be seated inside there, and then I'm going to put some electric tape over the top to seal it. Get this set down in place. Once I have that glued inside there, take some electric tape. I'm going to put it over that. And that way it doesn't attract a bunch of dirt with that two-sided tape. And electric tape will keep that sealed and it won't come off. I'm going to do one more piece of electric tape on it. And then I'm going to add some double-sided tape in a couple other places. See how that one's going to sit in there? And then I'm going to feed this behind this right here. That's going to hold that in place. I'm also going to add some double-sided tape here kind of to keep that in place. If you want, you can add the Velcro inside here to stick there. I haven't added that Velcro yet. And then you put your earmuff on. Okay, so also what I've done, I drilled a small hole right behind. Microphone comes here. I'm gonna have to switch directions with this lighting. Microphone comes here. I drilled a small hole, and inside I fed that through. I'm gonna glue this. Actually, I'll probably silicone that, let it dry. And then the other side of the microphone that comes from the Bluetooth itself is going to be fed into the top where I drilled a hole. And that's also where I'm going to feed in my earpiece, which goes back behind that and comes in there. And then if you look inside, what I've done inside, I'm going to tuck this and I'll glue that, but I do double-sided tape and then I put electric tape on top of it so it makes it nice and neat. And you can see how right there I did it with that one as well. And where the piece connects is actually up here. So it feeds in the side of the helmet, and then I fed it up and I stuck it up inside there. And I'm gonna move this right out of the way. You'll be able to see that more. So I have this connected, and now put this on top. And then I'm gonna take this and put that right there. And I'm gonna clip on the top part. So that's how that looks with the earpiece inside. And see on the outside of it, I have two. I have the earpiece that goes in the top, and I also have the microphone. That's how that looks. I'm gonna do the other side. So now what you can see, I added double-sided tape. You can see right here. I'm gonna add electric tape on top of these, but that is what holds all my cables in place, and it makes it where my head won't touch any of them. And then this will go right back down here, and this one. But I'm going to do that after I add my electric tape. I've added electric tape there with double-sided tape and there, and then my helmet will be complete. Okay, we'll switch directions because that was getting pretty bright over there. And then it is all finished. And if you look inside, everything is tucked nice and neat. There's an earpiece, that earpiece. That's the electric tape on top of the double-sided tape. You can see the wires, but you can see how it sealed it up, so there's nothing loose. If you want to add some tape here to these wires, you can. That's not, actually I might add some tape there, but that's actually where your plug is going to be, right there. You can really see that. I ran the cords up to there. And that's it. Then, as you can see, do the clip. These pull against your ears, seals it up, and your helmet's complete.